I'm about to show you how to make the best margarita you'll ever have. It starts with 2 whole limes and no mix is required. You want to choose limes with a thin skin. You'll know that it has a thin skin because it'll be smoother and you'll be able to squeeze it easily. This would be an example of what you don't want. You can tell how thick and bumpy this rind is. So when you throw this lime in there, it'll taste like just bitter pith. We'll take 2 limes and quarter them. And you may not typically think to wash the outside of your citrus. This is the time you want to do that. This margarita makes the most beautiful green color. You know, some of those mixes you get sometimes at the restaurant are like neon green. That's not real. And you don't have to have some fancy $300 blender to make this happen. A regular blender will work just fine. To that, I'll add 2 cups of cold water, half a cup of sugar. Then I'm using 1 cup of tequila. You can do gold or white. And then a 1/4 cup of orange liqueur. You can use triple sec if you want to be on the cheap, but when work pays, I get the good stuff. I don't really like to salt my rim, but you do need a pinch in there. Watch the magic happen. You're gonna blend this pretty thoroughly till all that pulp is mixed in there and all that sugar has dissolved. Look at this, gorgeous green color, nothing artificial, nothing from a fake bottle. Very important step though, so you don't get a mouthful of grit and tell me this is the worst recipe ever, is you want to strain this mixture, even if you use a fancy dancy blender. You want to strain it and get the residual pulp out. Adding the whole lime with the rind is essential because it's what creates this beautiful color. It makes this margarita nice and perfectly tart, not overly sweet. The only negative about this recipe is that you're gonna have to make it over and over because they go fast. This, my friends, is the perfect margarita and I like it served on the rocks, no salt. You do you. Finish it off with a little lime. Lips smacking good. Promise me you'll try this recipe, and when you do, don't forget to tag me. I'll see you next time. Cheers. We might indulge in fast food chemicals every now and then, but I like my margaritas all natural.